in the first heat. He's the reigning champion, Paralympic record holder. He swam that 101.85 Paralympic record in winning gold in London 4 years ago. Mark Evers, Cho, Michi, Evers, Tsugawa, Van der Put and Araya. Getting away quickly indeed. Very, very strong start from Cho Won-sang of Korea Republic. Very strong indeed, but Gordon Michi alongside him is got some decent pace, and Mark Evers struggling to get into his stroke. At the moment, he's even behind Tsugawa in lane 5. So the defending champion has got a little work to do, but he's got a strong back end. He'll be looking to make it count there. Cho starting to fade. Michi, Evers and Tsugawa taking it to the wall, but coming into his stroke now is Evers, and he's quickest to turn. Just superb at the wall. What a turn that was, and already half a body length ahead of anybody else.
Well, look at that. He's just turned the race around. It looks as though he was off to a slightly slow start, but the back end of the race is incredibly strong for Evers, Netherlands, as he still maintains that body length lead over the rest of the field. Look how strong his leg kick is now into the final 15 meters. Well, the gold medalist from London was a bronze at last year's World Championships, but he's setting off his campaign as he means to go on here. Mark Evers, the Netherlands, wins heat 1 quite comfortably there. Second to Tsugawa, Japan, and third, Cho of Korea.
And he's just broken his own Paralympic record in the morning heats as Mark Evers, just outside the 1 minute mark, but a swimmer capable of going well below the 60-second mark. A new Paralympic record, just under 101. So Mark Evers of Netherlands touching ahead of Tsugawa of Japan and Cho of Korea. There is Tsugawa. At the turn, look how close they were, but Mark Evers, magnificent tumble and a push off the wall when he came out the water after his second streamline, a good half a body length ahead and just pulled away.